Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
So today I am going to discuss about jobs and positions. Who to request a new position. So request a new position means we are going to create a new position. Create a new position? Yes. When does this new position start? You can write as 1. What's the reason for this request? Reorganization continues. So in this drop down we can add additional values if you want. So the actions, there were only one reason. But if you want for an implementation or a customer point of view, if you want to add additional values, we can add. Where we can add additional values. No in the action, action reason. Action and action, reason no. We can add additional values. You can add additional values, but it's been action, and action reason is a table which is given and you are supposed to add that table and write that thing. So write the action and action reason for that position. It is not a lookup. Action and action is a table. It's a backend table. So how we can update this? We will have access to that. So thinking that if we want to update some additional values, how we can do? It is the action and action. I am not discussing about that, of course. I am just asking where we can add like that. So in this case we can add. So I will show you a table because I write now its position. So let me complete this too and then I will go to that because I want to skip on that. One thing I am teaching you again. The other thing will go the other way. Main campus location. You can say and you can attach the grades over here, entry grade. So US_manager is the position that I have created. Request for a new position. So I will just add this. So I will just add this. So I will just add this. So now when we talk about, you can see action regions. So your question comes. Action regions. It can be an accident, it can be compensation, it can be anything. Retirement contingent worker. What is a contingent worker? Employee work relationship requirement terms. Work relationship requirement terms and non-worker pending worker. Adding workload. Adding work relationship to the manager work relationship. Additional work relationship for employee. Additional work relationship for non-worker. So these are the things, and you have a code. So this is the action that you want to add a new one. It's more like a lookup. So when you add the code, as suppose I'm transferring an employee, you write it as a transfer. And description you write here transfer. Name right here US underscore. Transfer. Okay, context value you can add submit. So okay, so this is the action region that we have created. Now going to assignment status. So this is the assignment status that we have created. If you want active payroll, eligible active, non-payroll, active payroll. Yeah, this I remember. Yeah. Add. You can write it like this process. So you have to create the active payroll status also. So you can do it like this, then we have got location details. Location detail. Now go to add and create a location. When does this location start? When are you creating this location? The organization continue. And then we have location. We can put it in a common set. You create a location which is the underscore. Suppose California or something. Now you can add the address of this location. Dallas, Texas, you can write. So submitting the details. So this is so we have done with the location. Manage this. So I'm going to teach it today. I'm going to teach you the security profile, all the security profiles. Okay. So we were discussing about key flex fields and descriptive flex fields the other day. Okay. So like when we talk about descriptive flex fields and key flex fields. So today we are going to discuss about this thing. Yeah, click. Now go to determine maintenance. Okay, now we are going to select about workforce structures. Go to search. Okay, let's create a new one. Okay. Okay, I have not added again the same mistake. You have to select the offerings also. Okay, I'm not going to. Sir. Okay. It's not coming. Okay, okay, just let's take somebody else's. Now it's coming, see. Okay, action. Okay, select any flex field. So in account key flex field, we have in general ledger, we have accounting flex field, asset key flex field, and accounting flex field. Okay. Okay. Human resources we have. Search it on this thing. In human resources, we have not human global art. Global. We have only cost allocation flex field. So I have to search for cost. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, right cost. This we have done now, so I will not show it again. I'll just show you the details. Cost, cost code, cost code. Oh, why it is going negative? Okay, save and close. Cost allocation flex field. This is the create another. Those cost number. You can say what's number name. What second segment? What can be the second segment? What can be the second segment? Cost. Cost code and cost allocation means. Costing department, something like that. No department name. It's my cost name because of the input is cost name. Name cost. Cost name shop from right. Cost name display with. Okay, segment 1 we used. No, for the other one, we used in this second one the characters. Cost name okay. Segment 2 okay. So this is created cost name and cost code. Save and close. Now this flex field is cost code and cost name is created. Now save and close. Okay. Now what is happening? What will happen? This flex field is now go to manage structure instances. If you want to create a manage key field structure instances. If you want to create structure instances, you can create it this way. Or if you want to create deploy, you have to deploy the flex field. Without deploying the flex field will not be functional. Okay. Error in deployment. What are the errors? So that's the way we're going to do this. So we're going to create a new class. And we're going to call it class name, and we're going to call it class name. And we're going to call it class name, and we're going to call it class name, and we're going to call it class name, and we're going to call it class name. And we're going to call it class name. Now I think you're doing the range for the flex field. High or low? Because I never thought that it shows an error. Okay, I'll just create a new one. I'll just create one segment. I will not create another one, okay? Oh, again I'm creating the classes. Oh, okay, That means there are no such flex fields in the database. Okay, it will be done anyway because it's standard, right? This because the job, everything is standard, right? Job, job, job. Ah, this is standard. See, there's so many flex fields out there. See. Okay, I was trying to say why does not come in there. Many just keep it flex fields. See except for deployment status. Global HR, so there's no flex field. Okay, global payroll, I can't get jobs. I can't get jobs. I can't get jobs. Ah, see. That means there's no flex field inside this. For this model, there's no flex field. That's the only thing. Because I wanted to show you now that if you create a flex field, whatever flex, suppose it's sensible flex field. Okay, we'll do this later on. I'll see what are the problems going on. I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to create a flex field. I'll show it to you. If you create a key flex field, you have to deploy that key flex field, okay? Once it is deployed, okay, you have to deploy it. Then you have to, what do you have to do? Then you have to enable this. Go to Home. Go to Highlight Flex Field. Okay. Once you do this, go to where do you want to enable that thing. Go to My Client Group and you have to enable that thing. Then go to My Client Group, Workforce Structures, Jobs, or else you can go in from there. Here also you can go in from there. Go to Manage Settlement Maintenance. Go to this window, open Manage Implementation Projects, Manage Job. Select your implementation project. Manage Job. Okay, don't select your own one. Select somebody else's, okay? Okay, and the job's okay. Okay, manage job is no manage jobs. I was writing the plural form. Okay. Write here's underscore manager. Code will be Zazman. Okay, you can write here full-time regular. Job function, academic level is 1 management level. You can write here as senior officer. Okay, it's not required. The value system I have showed you. So you write here 20 points for this. Counter critical 30 points. Problem solving 10 points, okay. Oh no, problem solving 40 points. That is the highest carries the highest point. And what is the competencies required to perform this job? We go to profile. Oh, this is done. Save okay. So when we create a job, as underscore manager search. That was 2002. I think of a code. You can search by code. This was 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, you can see here. Level job family. And the progression grade ladder, all these things that you can see here. Context value, all these are descriptive flex field. So if you want to enable this descriptive flex field, you can enable this descriptive flex field. Captures extra information of predefined skills. They can have two types of segments, program sensitive segment that you can decide to use in descriptive flex field segment. Okay. So this is the checklist of descriptive flex field. We have job, family, position, department, location. Job flex field. List of descriptive flex field. No, this is the business object. Descriptive is called job DFF or job family DFF or position DFF or organization unit or location DFF. List of extensible flex field. We have pay element information for job, leg for location, information for organization information. Element, we have pay element, information for job flex, information for location, information for organization information. So we have list of extensible flex field. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.